Hello friends, and welcome to my channel Simply Stocks. And today I'm going to talk about Wonderla Holidays, a very interesting company in the small cap division, but the business is completely in ruins after the lockdown. So let's understand how the business is doing currently and whether you should invest in the company or not. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Wonderla Holidays, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, it will help me grow the channel. It will help you also ask me questions on a daily basis. So once you get into the $10 membership, then it will help me. It will help you ask me questions on a daily basis, and also you'll have access to my portfolio and watch list. Now about the company, Wonderla Holidays was established in 2000 and is one of the leading recreational player in India. It boasts of amusement parks and resorts in south of India, have services in Cochin, Hyderabad and Bangalore, and is planning to spread across India going forward. But because of the current economic situation, whatever that has taken place over the last couple of years with the slowdown in the economy, the expansion plan was put on hold, and the company focused on developing its recreational activities and its products in these three places. The market cap of the company is around 8 900 crores, and it is one of the kind listed companies. So not many listed. In fact, I think there's only one other company that is listed in such space with their recreational activity, theme parks, etc., as Wonderla Holidays. If you look at the financials of the company, then it has not been great. So the December quarter numbers, and I'm not even talking of the March quarter, but the December quarter numbers show that the sales dropped by around 30%, whereas there has been a profit drop of nearly 75%. Although it is a debt-free company, and we have high promoter and institutional holding with only 10% free float, yet I feel that because of the kind of numbers that they are producing, and with whatever that is going to come forward with respect to the business environment in the next 2 quarters, the numbers doesn't look that great, because in December we didn't had any issues with the country shutting down, and with such recreational activities being virtually banned and people getting scared of going in public and having like going into malls or public places or like that. So it was not happening in December, yet the numbers were not that great. Although net profit margin of 38% augurs really well, but return on equity of only 6% is very meager. So the numbers are extremely mixed, and these numbers were before things really gotten bad for such industry as recreation or hotel, resorts, etc. So what has been ailing the stock? Mediocre results. I think the results are not that great, and it has been mediocre over many quarters, and only one or two of the last 7 8 quarters have gone out really well. Sluggish economy has also not helped. So the economic activity even before the lockdown was not that great, and over the last 2 years, over last 6 7 quarters, there has been very little economic activity with respect to people going out and enjoying life across India. Yes, they do travel abroad. People are traveling abroad, so the high net worth individuals are traveling abroad, but the middle income group, higher middle income group people, even before the problems arose with respect to health, even before that, people were not going out into hotels or resorts. Because there has been a decline in income of middle class, decline in income for higher middle class, even they are more inclined, and they were more inclined towards a saving rather than spending into such activities. With whatever has happened from March end, social distancing has meant that the business is going to suffer more, and I think over the next 2 quarters it's going to suffer even more badly, so the stock price may fall even more. Lockdown has had a devastating effect on the current economic activity, on the current business activity of such businesses like cinema halls, malls, public places where people go out, say recreational places, tourist spots. So this falls under that, and this is going to suffer big time. uh, it had lofty valuations earlier, even after the listing, and around 40-50 times it was trading, so it had to reverse, it had to come down. So that was one of the reasons. And now with the kind of economic situations that we are stuck in, it is probably prudent that the stock would fall even further and the valuations would become even cheaper, because there is projection of more slowdown which could continue at least for the next 2 quarters. At least I believe that this year would be a complete washout calendar year, and probably from January, February onwards, we may see some traction in the business. So what needs to be done? I think you need to avoid for the moment. I think there's no need to get into such stocks at this point of time. Even if you have it on these up moves, or when the market is up big time, market has gone up 7-8%. These are the times to probably exit the positions and get into pure consumption plays. Uh, uh, or if you don't want to sell and want to keep the stock going forward, then you have to have a good 4 5 year time horizon. I think next 1.5 years could be extremely tough for such businesses, and if you really want to keep, probably buy average on major declines of 30-40%, and then wait for 5 6 years. I think things will improve over that period of time. Management is good, management, it is a strong management, no debt has been taken up, so in that respect the company is good. I think next 18 months, 12 months could be difficult. At least 9 to 12 months could be extremely difficult, so you have to then gear up for that. Again, as I say, look for more consumption plays rather than going for this. And if you really want to exit, then wait for sharp up moves to exit the positions. So this was my video on Wonderla holidays. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.